Hi everyone, let me tell you the story of Beep Beep Beep, Time for Sleep by Freedman and Richard Smythe. It's been a busy working day. Road building on the motorway. Vroom! Heavy lorries thunder past. Swish! Vans and cars all driving fast. Backhoe loader jolts and judders. When he drills, the whole road shudders. Digger's sharp teeth hit the earth. He's clawing holes for all he's worth. Dusty dump truck at the double tips his load of stones and rubble. Grader with his giant blade soon gets the sticky asphalt laid. Reversing warning! Beep, beep, beep! Here's a tipper truck with one more heap. Concrete mixer's drum is turning. Sand, cement, and gravel churning. Then, huge road roller with a clatter loves to press the tarmac flatter. But quiet now, it's getting late, and digging roads will have to wait. Backhoe loader, stop your drill. The sun has sunk behind the hill. Time to wind down, time for stopping. Hear concrete mixer's engine popping. Shadows fall, the workday ends for all the roadwork building friends. New road signs flash up overhead. Please take the slip road off to bed. After Tipper's rough, tough day, he's hosed down with a cooling spray. Clean up, digger, no more rush. His giant bucket gets a brush. Tired road roller's done his best. It's time to stop, it's time to rest. Dump truck parks up for the night. He cuts his motor, dims his light. Grader yawns and off he lumbers, soon to snore in sleepy slumbers. Traffic cones light up his way, shimmering in the dusky grey. All tucked up safely in their yard, they snuggle down, they've worked so hard. Soon sparkling stars begin to peep as one by one they fall asleep. The silver moonlight softly gleams. Good night, big machines, sweet dreams. The end. That was a lovely bedtime story. Well, I'll see you soon, everyone. Bye.